Okay, so the critter was active just a minute ago. So we're going in. We're going to see what we see. Got my headlamp on here, so should be good. Got my gloves in case I need to grab anything. So yeah, hang tight. Okay, so it does seem like we got maybe something bedding down over here. I mean, evidence. It's not here. So, I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't want to fall through the ceiling. But that insulation's kind of matted down over there. It's quite a bit too. So, I don't know. Got a dirt dauber nest in there too, so, but pretty sure it's not dirt daubers. All right, we're going to refocus the ring and see if we can catch it. All right, so here's the new setup. We got that corner under surveillance over there. So I feel pretty good we might be able to catch something. On camera anyway.